Prove the opposite side of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends supplementary angles at the center of the circle. So we have a quadrilateral. Right? Let me do a better job. It's not bad, but yeah, that'll be easy to name. Okay, so what we have here is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. So they're telling is obtain supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Which one? The opposite sides. So if I name it ABCD, I think that will make sense once I do the labeling and diagram. So what they're telling is this is the center. So I have yeah, I have to prove that angle COB plus angle DOA is equal to 180 degree. That's the whole funda. Okay. Similarly, DOC is equal to BOA. Right, that's what we have to prove. Right. So how do you do it? It's very simple. It looks complicated. It's very simple though. There's a bit of writing though. If not, it's not that hard. First thing is we'll join from the center to the point of contact. Okay. So we'll do that. We'll label it. We'll label it as P, Q, R, S. Okay. Right. Now, let me start by writing stuff, then I'll explain how we are going to do. First thing is we'll describe the diagram because diagram is not given. We are considering a circle with center O. Then we're talking about let ABCD circumscribe SCRIB the circle. Then let P, Q, R, S be the point of contact. Right? I think I didn't miss anything. Yeah, we are done. So with that done, next thing is what is that we have to prove. So we have to prove that angle subtended by opposite side, that is COB and DOA, they add up to 180 degree. Angle COB plus angle DOA is equal to 180 degree. Angle BOA plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. So next is a bit of construction. We'll join OP, OQ, OR and OS. It's not required, but anyways, we'll just write it. So what we have to do is, my method is always label it off. We'll call this as A. Let me use black. B, C, and D. We have to prove that A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 180. And also, if we call this as 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This also is equal to 180. I won't label that. I'll show you why. Okay, so we'll just label this. So let angle COP is equal to A, angle POB is equal to B, angle AOR is equal to C, angle ROD is equal to D. Right? Next, we'll talk about consider triangle COP, COP and triangle COS. So can you guess what I'm doing? We have to prove the congruency between these two triangles, these two triangles, these two triangles, and these two triangles. Actually, if you prove one, by default, you can just write similarly. There's nothing much. We don't need to write a lot. right? So we'll prove this first. Let me show you then how to write later. OC is common, then angle OSC is equal to angle OPC. It is equal to 90 degree, radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. Then we'll tell OS is equal to OP, they are radius. Okay, so by RHS congruency, triangle OCP is congruent to triangle OCS. Therefore, by CPCT, angle COP is equal to angle COS is equal to A. Right? This is also A. Similarly, we'll prove this is D, this is C, and this is B. And after that, it's very simple. So we'll tell similarly, we can prove. Okay. So we can prove angle SOD is equal to angle DOR is equal to D. I think I am right. SOD DOR is equal to D. Then angle ROA is equal to angle AOQ is equal to C. Angle QOP is equal to angle POB is equal to P. Right? So we proved that all those angles are ABCD, ABCD again. Then we'll tell, right, we are adding all of those. A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus D plus D. Those will be equal to what, guys? Those will be equal to 360 degree. Why 360? Sum of angles around the point. Right? So this will be 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D is equal to 360 degree divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. So A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 180 degree. That's it. Thus, we have this is what we had to prove. So we'll just copy this. Thus, yeah, that's it. Hence proved. Hence proved. Is it not? Because AB plus CD are those angles, and here too AB plus CD, AD plus CB are those angles, and we have shown the proof. That's it. Okay. We'll just write the details. Angle COB is A plus B. Angle DOA is C plus D. Angle BOA is B plus C. Actually, this is a lot of writing. It's not required, but again, I'm just being on the safe side. I don't want to get a comment that it's not complete and it's proved. But since we have done everything in the diagram itself, so it's pretty much clear. But again, it depends on teacher to teacher. They might ask you to write this, some might be okay. Anyways, yeah, this is your answer.